Good Sunday morning, everyone. We have a chance to see some stronger storms develop into our area later today. Throughout the day, we haven't seen the storms or the rain really move in. It's just been cloudy across our area. But look at the map. You can see we have that level 1 to level 2 risk for storms into our region. Really, the kind of main takeaway for this is that a few of the storms could be strong to severe. We might get some of this rain to move in here in the next couple of hours. Right now, all of the rain is still hanging well off to our west. That's where all the showers are. There's not much going on. It is a little bit stronger in Charlotte. It is a little bit stronger also towards Roanoke right now too, where there's actually, I shouldn't say that, not really strong there, just a couple of showers. But you can see near Charlotte in North Carolina, there are some thunderstorms that are coming in out of South Carolina that have a little bit more kind of oomph to them, a little bit more strength. So what we're going to see happen is all of these thunderstorms, even the strongest ones, should take more of a track that stays farther to the south. So this is the kind of zone that will see the strongest storms here in the next couple of hours. And then once we get closer to, I would say, the mid-afternoon or the evening, some of that rainfall could come into our area where we'll see some of those showers and maybe a rumble of thunder push into the region. So you can see as we go throughout the timing here, by 3 o'clock, this is an update. A lot of the rain starts to move in through Richmond and maybe close into the Williamsburg, Gloucester area. We had this earlier during our 6 to 8 a.m. newscast when I did the morning news. I showed you how there was some rain that was going to start to move in around that time. What I see is just some light rain, maybe a rumble of thunder. I don't see anything big happening, at least at that point. Now, throughout the afternoon at 5 o'clock, the rain is still around Richmond. It hasn't quite moved into our area. We get a couple of showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder to move in around 6 p.m., but it's still holding off a little bit. It's later on tonight is when we see some of that rain move in. 10 or 11 o'clock, we have some heavy rain coming down across the peninsula all night long, maybe for some of our area too. So we get the overnight rainfall likely. We get the strong wind gusts also very likely to move in for later tonight. So I would expect some heavy rainfall to come into our area overnight where we get 1 to 2 inches of rain. And then into the morning tomorrow, that rain starts to move out of the area. So for kind of the takeaway for this, the rain hasn't moved in quite yet. It moves in here in the hours ahead. We'll get a couple of showers mid-afternoon. Most of the rain will come in tonight. It will be a very windy day too. We'll likely see wind speeds throughout the day today around 20 to 30 miles an hour. The gusts could be around 30 to 40 miles an hour. So the main threat for the storms tonight, strong winds and also downpours. Tornadoes and hail always possible when we have severe weather, but the ingredients are not all coming together for that to be a big issue, it looks like right now. We're going to keep you up to date on these storms as we go throughout the day and the night. Don Slater will be in with updates for our evening newscasts with where the rain is. I'll come back in later on if needed, if we have some really big storms. But right now, I'm not too worried about this. The storms that happened yesterday in the south and the day before that in the Midwest, while the same system is moving in, the strength and all those ingredients are not all coming together. Remember, just a couple of days ago, we had all that cloud cover, that kind of cooler air. That air mass still has some leftovers into our area. The atmosphere hasn't been able to totally reset for us compared to other spots that had the big stuff. So we should be looking okay, but we'll let you know if there are any changes and any new watches or warnings are issued. Enjoy your Sunday. It's going to be windy, and we'll have a high of 75, and then it gets a little cooler as we go into the week. Enjoy your day. See you later.